Is your PC taking too long to start? In this video, I'll show you simple steps to reduce boot time and speed up Windows 10. No extra software needed. Step 1. Disable startup programs. Open Task Manager, then go to the Startup tab. Here you'll see the programs that launch at startup. Right-click on the ones you don't need and choose Disable. These programs are not necessary when the computer starts up. Step 2. Enable Fast Startup. Go to Control Panel. Power Options. Choose what the power buttons do. Then click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Now enable Turn on Fast Startup. Click Save. This makes Windows boot faster after a full shutdown. Step 3. Disable unnecessary services, advanced users. Type misconfig in the search box and press enter. Go to the Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services. Then disable services you don't need, like Google Update or Adobe services. Step 4. Clean temporary files. Search for Disk Cleanup and open it. Select Drive C. Clean up temporary files, Recycle Bin, and System Cache. Now restart your PC and enjoy a faster boot time. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more Windows tips.